What's going on, guys? Decelation, and we got Brian.
What's up, peeps?
And Rhonda.
Hey, how's it going?
Yeah. So today, what are we working on, Brian? Well,
Sanding some glue off these door cards so we can cut some carbon fibre and put them on there. So
yeah.
get all that old nasty glue off so we can put some new glue on.
I like it. I like
It's
it.
not fiberglass. So I don't mind sanding it. I think I've retired from sanding fiberglass.
No. I think I got a little bit of fiberglass in the future for you, Brian. Zoom into that look. That's the look. Trust me, it's the one car that you said you would sand again.
Love to see.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna get him to sand fiberglass again. Just watch. But all right, stay tuned because Brian's got to do some work, and Rhonda and I are gonna be cleaning the shop. So. Welcome back, guys. Brian, Rhonda.
What's going on, peeps?
So what did we finally finish after 2 weeks of work?
We got a door card.
We got one door card with a lot of adhesive. So check it out. So Brian, you're gonna cover that in epoxy coat, right?
Yeah, just give it a wet sand and cover it in the same epoxy that we did the trans tunnel with, so it'll match sheen.
There we
It'll
go.
match sheen.
I like that term, matching sheen. But yeah, so that's taken us a couple of weeks to get this going, but it's good. The other side, I just need to measure, hold it up, screw the holes in, put the roof nuts in. But yeah, we're gonna call it a wrap because it's already pretty late and I gotta make dinner. Yeah, but thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate you guys sticking through and watching this build. If you like this type of content, please subscribe, hit that like button, and comment down below. Have a good one, guys. Peace.
Take it easy, peeps.
See you next time.